Are we recording? FPS test? Yeah, we're recording. Welcome back to Hammer Fisher Tech, fellas. Ha ha ha! What a day! What a day! So, in the end, maybe you can see a better setup of the camera. So today I had to format my PC and start brand new because I had issues with some programs, some viruses which screwed up my PC, my laptop. So I opted for a brand new fresh installation of Windows. Sorry. Ottimo. My dad answered. Awesome. So I was saying, I did a fresh start on the laptop, and as you can see, it's stunning, the result. I re-downloaded OBS Studio, set it up properly without the crazy crap of the Logitech drivers and various crap and so on. So here what we got here, we got an unboxing. We got a pretty juicy unboxing. Let me cover my address as always. Tack. Finally, I'll show you what we got here. So if the focus want to help, perfect. Sent to Michael Fisher, Treviso, Lombardy, Italy. Yeah, that's written my phone number. LB. My dad is still answering. So let's see what we got here. Whoa, Guangzhou, a design, intelligent technology, room 1102, Guangdong, China. As you can see, maybe there's written something right here, soldering iron, TS100. So first I want to show you, till now, this is the number 15 of the soldering iron which I purchased. This I purchased used because I was tired of breaking damn soldering iron. So this was my soldering iron till now. As you can see, it's pretty crappy. I will still use it for some jobs because this is kind of handy still. I will not throw it away for sure. But now we have here this beauty. As my microscope, these were years that I was waiting to purchase this, and finally I got it. I got it! So, as you can see, there's a pretty standard package. Pretty crappy, I should say. Pretty crappy, I should say. Let's take my glorious unboxing knife. Okay, thank you. Open it. Let's see what we got here. We got a nice product description. This was shipped on Banggood because I bought it on Banggood. That was written the shipping was from UK, but in fact from the shipping thing there's written that yeah, it was shipped from UK. Took pretty a long time. I will let it here so you can pause it for taking a proper look. Tararara, tararara, TS100, parababa, parababa, you can pause it if you want. Taratata, taratata, tatatata, tatatata, taratatata, taratata. Interesting. So, pretty shitty package. I will pull it as it is. sorry, watch there because there's a screen, the camera is here. So let me see. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! No protection at all, as you can see. There's only a box inside a pretty shitty package, like the garbage kind of package. And nothing. Take a look, if you can. Ta-ra-ta-ta, ta-ra-ta-ta. So I purchased this because from the reviews online there's written that this is a pretty cheap soldering iron, but it's worth it. It's kinda professional for the micro soldering, I mean, because as you know, as maybe you took a look around at my channel, I practice micro soldering. So the reviews, they were stating that this is for the best bang for buck solder, which is available now. Now I will put it here and I will put the camera so that you can take a look on it. So interesting. So let's open it. I don't know how. Maybe just pulling it. Yeah, like this. So let's pull it. Written nicely here. TS100. Whoa, here it is. The beauty. Pretty small, I should say. I purchased a few extra tips, but they were shipped from China, and I don't know when they will be. I don't know when they will come. As now I have this tip, as you can see, with the logo printed on it, laser engraved, I should say. Nice. So this is the tip, and this is the beauty. This is the beauty by itself. 1224 volts. Interesting. All the markings, as you can see, is written TS. Maybe you can see. It's written TS100. Yeah, let's remove immediately, peel off this thing. Whoa, sexy. Sexy. So this is the beauty. Let's see what we got here. We got the key for opening and closing. We got some important safety instructions, which are written in Chinese on this side and in English on this side. Take a look. If the camera will put it in focus. Hope so. Yeah, you can pause it if you want. Juicy. Fine. I'll tell you. Right now I'm pretty busy because I'm cooking dinner, but I was after the whole day some busy on the laptop for those viruses issues. I let this unboxing for the evening for now, because yeah, that's good. That's pretty good that they put a couple of extra screws, because that screw look pretty, it's pretty easy to lose it. So right now I will just put the tip in. Okay, this is loose enough. Let's hear the marvelous click. Click. That was sexy. Now we close the screw, trick. So, this is it. A brand new solder, TS100, which is pretty light. As you can see, I do have a bench power supply, which I will use for powering, for power on this beauty. And I've already fitted the proper connector tack. So there is it. This is the beauty. The beauty. Oh, there's a screw in the end, in the bottom. Didn't see it. So this is the beauty for my new micro soldering. Kinda happy. Along with my microscope. This is a pretty huge change in better, I should say. I'm definitely curious about this device. Check, as you can see, it's fitted with the correct. This is for you to know 5.5 for 2.5. 5.5 external for 2.5 internal. Trick. That's it. It's pretty light, stunning, juicy. Awesome, awesome. So happy again. So it is, here it is, the beauty. So thank you for staying tuned, and see you soon for the test.